all this comes under your other income. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to minus all this. There are three partners are there. A and B are working partner. Don't consider C now. Interest on capital 15% is there. Only 3% we are supposed to take. All 10,000 is not paid for trade association. It is paid for something else. That's why we are supposed to take. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing your session 7, Unit 4 of your Income Tax 2. Under Income Tax 2, we are discussing topic called Assessment of Partnership Firm. Now, we done almost all the basic problems, small problems we completed. But today and next session and one more session. There are 3 more sessions to go to complete this particular topic, but we will work out only problems which are your previous year question paper problems. Now, if you didn't understand anything in this topic, or if you have any confusions in this topic, if you follow these 3 sessions, that is more than sufficient to understand what is assessment of partnership firm. Now, these are the 3 sessions I decided we will work it together. So answers won't be there. We are going to solve. So please take a calculator, a book and pen. So we'll calculate together so that you will understand better. These are the 3 problems more than sufficient to understand this particular topic. Now, so agenda is very simple. We'll work out only one problem for a day so that you will understand that particular problem. Now, a firm A, B and C which satisfy all the conditions of section 184. What is section 184? Remember, what do we calculate like interest on capital? How do we calculate excess of 12% we are supposed to take? That is only your section 184. That is only. So, if it doesn't follow section 184, then what we are supposed to do? Excess of 12% concept is not there. Then whole interest whatever paid on capital we are supposed to consider. Hope you are clear. If there is section 184, we take excess of 12% of interest on capital. If the section 184 is not there, then we take even it is 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, irrespective of percentage, we have to copy and paste it in the inadmissible items. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, compute book profit. So, from the following information, we are supposed to compute book profit. Up to book profit I have asked, but we'll do little further also. Business income also we will find out. Now, I'll tell you the format before I go to the your answer. Format is very simple. You should start with net profit. Net profit, add inadmissible item. You are supposed to add. What are the inadmissible items? Remember, salary of partner, commission of partner, bonus of partners, interest on capital in excess of 12%, then any taxes other than your sales tax or GST, VAT. Other than these 3, remember, any taxes will come in the inadmissible expenses or item except GST, sales tax, VAT. These 3 will not come under inadmissible. Why? Because those are business related. Then donation and personal expenses. I don't have space here. I'll write it here. Any depreciation. So, other than this, anything which is used for other than business purpose, we are supposed to add. You got it? Along with that, I'll write one more. Provisions. Provisions and reserves. These are the things you are supposed to add. For why we are doing all this? To find out your book profit. If you want your book profit, you are supposed to do take net profit, add all the inadmissible expenses like salary, commission, bonus, interest on capital, tax, donation, personal expenses, depreciation, your provisions and reserves. These are the things we are supposed to add. What are the things you are supposed to minus? Very simple. Minus other income. What are the other income? Like lottery, agriculture income, long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain, any dividends, house rent. So other than this, other source like interest. All this comes under your other income. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to minus all this. Remember this, you are done with your book profit. Hope you are clear. Up to this, we call it as book profit. Simple. Net profit, add inadmissible item, which are those? Salary of partner, remember, commission of partner, bonus of partner, interest on capital excess of 12%, tax, donation, personal expenses, tax, remember, even advance tax also part of your this thing, inadmissible. I'll mention here, advance tax also. Next one, other income. Then we have lottery, agriculture income, and your long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain, dividend, or house rent, and other incomes like your interest on security, interest on deposit, everything comes under this. Up to, if you do this, net profit plus this minus this, you will get book profit. This is your almost 70% of your partnership problem is done if you do this calculation. Hope you are clear. Yes. So this is a step number 1. What is the step number 2? Step number 1 is book profit. Step number 2 is business income. Step number 2 is what? Business income. What is business income? Very simple. Whatever book profit you got minus remuneration is called your business income. Hope you got. Whatever book profit you got after doing all this minus remuneration. What is the remuneration? Simple. Whatever you added here like salary, commission, bonus, only these three you are supposed to minus. Then you will get what? Your business income. Hope you are clear. After finding your book profit, you are supposed to minus three things. Which are those? In the question, if they have given all three, minus all three. Any one is given, minus any one. One will be your salary, commission of salary of partner, commission of partner, and bonus of partner. So these three, interest on capital will not come. Only these three will come. Not only these three, remember, if it is working partner, then only we are supposed to minus. Just assume that there are three partners are there. A and B are working partner. Don't consider C now. For minusing here, for deducting here you have to take complete value. Even though he is working or sleeping partner, whatever it may be, you are supposed to consider here. But while deducting here from book profit, only working partners are allowed. Now, out of three partners, two are working partners. Remember, only you have to take information of two partners. Hope you are clear. Book profit minus your remuneration is your business income. Now, so can you take remuneration directly? No. You have a small calculation. What is the calculation? 90% of the 3 lakh and 60% of the remaining. Compare with 1,50,000, whichever is higher. That higher value compared with your salary, commission and bonus, whichever is less, that amount will be considered as your remuneration. I'll show you that calculation. Hope you are clear. You got clear picture. What is your assessment of partnership? Yes. So this is only assessment of your partnership. I'll go out of the screen. If you want, you can take screenshot so we can start our problem. Now, so we'll start with our first calculation. Now, these are our questions. Remember, whatever points I told to add, whatever points I told you to minus, remember, where do you get all these additions? Left side, debit side. Where do you get all the deletions or minus? Right side, or else we call it as credit side. See, these are the things you are supposed to add. These are the things you are supposed to minus. Which are those? Like salary to staff, supposed to be taken? No. Remuneration to partners? Yes. Office expense? No. Donation? Yes. Reserve? See, I gave you any reserves you are supposed to take. Now, so reserves? Yes. Interest on capital, 15% is there. Only 3% we are supposed to take because excess of 12%. Calculate and take. Bonus to shareholders. So it is not partners. Remember, it is not partners. This is shareholders. But we are supposed to consider. Now, A, B, C. Now, advance IT, this we are supposed to take. Advance IT we are supposed to take. And net profit in the beginning only we will write. Hope you got it. Remember those things what I explained you. Salary, commission, bonus. We are taking interest excess of 12%. We are taking advance tax. We are taking donation. We are taking. Hope you are clear. So whatever the points I have given, out of this only you will get it in question paper. Now, so this side, what we are supposed to minus, like your gross profit, 2,34,000, discount and commission, dividend on foreign. So this one is income from house property and this one capital gain, interest on security. Now, as I told you, gross profit will not come. Discount and commission is part of your salary. Dividend, income from house property, capital gain, interest. These are the things you are supposed to minus. See, I have given you all this. Lottery, agriculture, leave it. Long term, capital gain I have given. Yes. Dividend I have given. Yes. House rent I have given. Yes. Interest I have given. Yes. 4 things I have given. See in the question paper what is there? Dividend, income from house property, capital gain and interest on security. All 4 are there. Remember, the capital gain what I have given, there is a short-term capital gain. Understood? Yes. So, whatever we mention, add. Whatever we mention, minus. But first thing is what? Yes. First thing is net profit. Start your problem with net profit. Now, so these are the working note. A and B are working partners. Remember, donation include 5,000 paid to local school, 5,000 paid for Prime Minister National Relief Fund. If the donation paid for trade association, then we don't consider. If it is paid for these people and all, then we have to consider as inadmissible expenses. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, we'll start now. Calculation of book profit. Now, just mention the name of the assessee and assessment year previous year. That is common. You know that. Please follow that. And I go directly to the answer in this. Net profit. Net profit. So, what is the net profit you have in this? How much we have net profit? 60,000. We should start our problem with 60,000. So, 60,000. Now, what we are supposed to do? Add. Add inadmissible expenses. Inadmissible items. You can call it as items. Inadmissible items. Now, so what are the inadmissible items? Already you have marked. Which are those? Like, one by one we'll take. Remuneration to partners, A is 48, B is 36. A is 48, B is 36. Remuneration. So in this, A and B, A is 48,000 and B is 36,000. First one is done. Yes. Next. After remuneration, we have office expenses, part of the business. Donation, take 10,000 because all 10,000 is not paid for trade association. It is paid for something else. That's why we are supposed to take. Donation, 10,000. Donation 10,000. Then after the donation, reserve for bad debts, we have 5,000. Take that. Reserve for bad debts. Reserve for bad debts, 5,000. This is done. Next. After reserve for bad debts, interest on capital, only excess amount we take, excess of 12%. Remember, interest on capital. Interest on capital. In this, A, B, C. So we'll calculate what is the interest for A, what is the interest for B, what is the interest for C. Now, so how much they have given? 15,000, 10,000, 7,500. 15,000, 10,000, 7,500 multiplied with, so we have extra of how much? 3% extra. So you are supposed to take 3 divided by 15 multiplied with 3 divided by 15. 3 divided by 15. These are your calculation. If it is 16%, 4 divided by 16. Why? Because after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. But in this problem, they have given 15%. Excess of 12 means what? 13, 14 and 15. There are 3% extra. You are supposed to take 3%. Now, if you calculate 15,000 multiplied with 3 divided by 15, I got 3,000 in this. So your answer is 3,000. And the second one, 10,000 multiplied with 3 divided by 15. I got 2,000. And next one, 7,500 multiplied with 3 divided by 15. I got 1,500. So up to this you are clear. Yes, good. Now we'll go to the next one. The next one is up to interest on capital over bonus A, B, C 25, 20 and 20,000. Bonus 25,000, 20,000 and 20,000. Bonus in this A, B, C 25,000, 20,000 and 20,000. Now, anything is there to add? Yes, we have advance tax of rupees 5,000. Take advance tax. Advance tax. So it is 5,000. Now we done with all the inadmissible item. So add it and write it in the outer column. Now in this 48,000 plus 36,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,500 plus 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 20,000, 5,000. 1,75,500. Your answer is 1,75,500. Remember, you are supposed to add. So total of this, I'll check it once again. 48,000 plus 36,000 plus 10,000, 5,000 3,000, 2,000, 1,500, 25,000, 20,000, 20,000, 5,000. So I got 1,75,500 is proper. Now, so all the inadmissible items you have added. Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to subtract minus admissible item or other head income. Now minus, add is over, add other head income. Other head incomes. Which are those other head income? Now, so as per this, we have other head income of dividend, income from house property, capital gain, interest on security. We'll go one by one. Dividend. Dividend is how much? We have 7,000. Income from house property, 50,000. Now, dividend. So, foreign company, income from house property, and then what do we have? Dividend is 7,000, income from house property 50,000, we have capital gain. So 7,000 and 50,000, two things are done. Next, income from house property is over. Capital gain short term 20,000. Capital gain 20,000. After capital gain, what is the next one? Remember, in the bracket mention short term, because long term is separate calculation. So after that, what do we have? Interest on security 80,000. Now interest on security 80,000. We're done with all other head income or admissible item. Now total this. So almost 1 lakh, 1,50,000, 1,57,000. 1,57,000. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to subtract, minus. Now, in this, we'll check what is your answer. We have 60,000 in the beginning. Add 175,500 and minus 157,000. So how much you got? You got 78,500. What is this? This we call it as book profit. This we call it as what? Book profit. Hope you are clear. Good. So this is all about your book profit calculation. You understood what is book profit. Up to this, hope there is no doubt. Clear? Yes. Now, up to book profit is done. What is the next procedure? We are supposed to find out business income. Shall we calculate? Yes. Now understand how to calculate business income. Now, so here I'll do business income. How to calculate business income? Simple one. So what you are supposed to do, write your book profit. Book profit. How much you got book profit? 78,500. 78,500 less admissible remuneration of partners. Admissible remuneration of partners. So you are supposed to minus remuneration. Can you minus directly? Answer is no. You cannot do it directly. You have to compare. Later you can do your remuneration. I'll show you how it is. Now assume that first one A. So what is this? Standard limit of 1,50,000. B, 90% of 3 lakh. So 90% of 3 lakh means, do you have 3 lakh here in your book profit? No, you have very less. So you can go it directly. So 78,500. How much you will get if you calculate 90%? Up to 3 lakh 90%, but you don't have 3 lakh only. You have only 78. So calculate 90% on 78 only. I got 70,675. So 70,675. Whichever is higher. Which is higher in this? So we have higher value of 1,50,000. Hope you got it. Yes. Now, C. Actual remuneration. Actual remuneration. See, in case your book profit is around 3,78,000, what you are supposed to do? Up to 3 lakh 90% and 60% of excess of 3 lakh. So you don't have excess of 3 lakh because your book profit itself less than 3 lakh. Assume that it is 3,78,000. Then what we are supposed to do? 3 lakh into 90%, 2,70,000, and remaining 78,000 into 60%. Those calculations supposed to be happen, but in this one, your book profit itself less than 3 lakh. No need of calculation. Your 1,50,000 is a higher value. Now compare your 1,50,000 with actual remuneration. What is your actual remuneration? I'll tell you. In this 1, 2, 3. What is the one? Salary. What is the second one? Commission. What is the third one? Bonus. All put together, we call it as your actual remuneration. I'll go back. Remember, while taking here, you're supposed to take only working partner. You're supposed to take only working partner. Now, as per this remuneration, see, A and B, who are the working partners? A and B, C are which are satisfied. A and B are working partner. We are not supposed to consider C. Now, 48 plus 36, your remuneration, 48,000 plus 36,000. So almost 84,000. Now, after that, what is your interest? We are not supposed to take. And do we have commission? No. Do we have bonus? Yes. Can we take C? No. Why? Because he is not working partner. So take 25,000 and 20,000. Bonus. So this is nil. 25,000 plus 20,000. So we have taken 45,000. What is the total? The total is 1,29,000. 80 plus 40, 120 plus 5 plus 4, 9. Yes, 1,29,000. Now what we are supposed to do? Whichever is low. Your 1,29,000 is low and your answer will be 0. Business income is nil. You don't have any business income. Hope you are clear. Good. These are the calculation we are supposed to do for your business income. Hope you understood clearly. So please take screenshot of everything so that you will understand better. So this is your problem, your question, your continuation of question, your solution part, your solution part, your solution part, So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what is assessment of partnership firm. Please work out the same problem again and again so that you will understand better. Thank you.